Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. We have a French classic for you today. It's a Celeriac Remoulade, with a twist, of course. So let's get cooking. Our ingredients are very simple: celeriac, carrot, beetroot, mustard, vegan mayo, and some apple cider vinegar with a pinch of salt and pepper. We're going to begin by making our remoulade, which is a traditional French sauce. And for this, we're going to be using 1/3 cup vegan mayo, and then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and then we're going to add a dash of salt and pepper for seasoning. We'll stir that together really well and just put it to one side until we're ready for it. We're going to move on now to preparing our celeriac. We're going to peel it, cut it into quarters, be sure to wash it of course, and we're also going to prepare our carrots and our beetroot at the same time, making sure we wash and peel them. I'm using a mandolin to prepare the celeriac, the carrots and the beetroot, and I would just say that I only used half of the celeriac. I used 1 carrot and a small portion of the beetroot. We're going to place the celeriac and the carrot in a mixing bowl. Then we're going to add our remoulade sauce to it, and then we're going to mix that together really well, making sure it's all covered really nicely and looking delish. Voici notre remoulade de Celeriac with a twist. So this is our celeriac remoulade with a twist of carrots and a dash of beetroot on the top for decoration. It's a really simple but delightful recipe that I know you will enjoy. Bon appetit, and remember to like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you for watching.